Hey, what up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna be doing something about this mess. Hopefully we can somewhat clean it, organize it, and sort it out. I usually like clean space, and since I did a swap, nothing has been cleaned, and also these cabinets are a little bit lower than what they're supposed to be. I did it like this, so that way like when I open up, I can see what's on the second shelf and so on. But today we are gonna install additional two, and I also bought an additional toolbox because these things are pretty cool. You can organize a lot of stuff, and if you don't know anything about these are like $3.98 at Home Depot. Also, these are good deal at Home Depot. They're $109 each right now, so pretty good cabinet for $100. You can store a lot of stuff. It goes on the wall. Nice and strong and sturdy, and good thing about these, they come with the free tools. So look, you just have to cut them out, and got a free hammer. What can I say? So yeah, let's do something about this mess. Let's clean up. First thing I want to do is I want to install additional cabinets up there. So what it requires me is building these things, and literally the whole cabinet is in one of these. So it's gonna take a while for me to build these two, but I'll do it off camera. And once I do that, we'll go back to the wall and hopefully finish these ropes up. And also we'll have to raise them up at, like I said, 3 inches. So that way I'm gonna have to empty most of them because they're pretty heavy. All right, let me get to this. So here you go. This is how they all come. Literally every side is disassembled, so that way it fits in a nice compact box. But yeah, there's a couple of pieces here, so definitely gotta unload everything and put it together. As you can see, a bunch of parts. All right, so I thought these are gonna be the same. They're the same dimension and everything, but they are a little bit different. For example, the lock is right here, and the magnets are up here. And another annoying part about this was that they came with this protective plastic, so which took forever to take off. But yeah, so now I'm gonna build the second one off camera and then see how I'm gonna mount these. Three shelves are off the wall. That was easy. I love these brackets because you just put them on, take them off, real easy. All the things are emptied out of the cabinet. Now I'm just gonna have to throw some of these things out once I start sorting, putting everything back. But right now what I'm gonna do is raise this up 3 inches and then continue down with my additional 2 shelves. Got my mark up there, as you can see right there. Not the best, but it's all even. So now I'm just gonna move these brackets up and install the rest too off camera because this is a boring part, and I'll see you back. All right, the 3 ones are back on. I like this height much better. So that way I get more of a table space versus how the other one was kind of like hiding everything. So these bad boys have different brackets. So these are gonna be maybe like 1/8 higher than whatever those brackets are. So I'm gonna raise it up just a little bit over the line and hopefully it should match if my math is right. All right, let's try this. See if I got it right. Oh, snap. Just kidding. It's in. Yep, it's in. However, my wall is not flat. As you can see, there's a gap right here, It's kind of curved like this, not straight at all, but you won't notice that. So let me just install the other one and we'll be done. All right, the shelves are installed. As you can see, got them already organized. That's where my oils are. Kind of like oils, cleaners, degreasers. My cleaning supplies. My oil change kits. And then random stuff. And then I went also go ahead and clean the bottom. Got the toolbox here, however, different casters, different height, kind of bugs me, but I'll get over it. America, got the M logo over here. This still kind of got to work on. This is gonna go back to the shed, but I got to build the shed, so there's quiet. It's gonna stay here for a little bit. Yeah, so pretty much looking nice and clean. And I'll back out so you can see that. I love the way it came out. Oh yeah, it looks 300 times better. I just didn't wash the floor yet, but it's kind of cold outside, so I'll do that later. Definitely love the way this came out. It looks much better. So now I can work on the next project and I'll have everything organized. And it's welcoming. It will also look good on the videos too. But I know this is something different than what we usually do on here, but I was like, you know what, since I'm doing it, might as well, you know, show you guys how I do it and what I use. And these are pretty good deal. You can't beat 109 bucks per one of these. It holds a lot, good capacity, and then you also got like things for pegs to put on. So you can hang, if you want to, you can hang tools from the inside, but I'm just going to be using the toolbox down here. And these, I just still have to kind of go through it and organize this mess from here. I kind of want to make this just the toolbox where I can have each drawer for each tool, like screwdrivers, wrenches, and so on. And then just the random stuff is also in this one. It's like this bad boys, got the tools here, random crap, and then the hammers, and then this is what I mean. So, and I really appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.